Well, good morning, Sundance. We had quite a rainstorm last night, didn't we? Yep, we did. It's December the 27th, and we had a lot of rain. So we're putting out the bags of the pellets again, the wood pellets, to soak up the water. 5 bags so far today. Oop, hello, Sundance. Hello. Hello. Cookie? Yeah. So now we're gonna wait for these to soak up the water. That'll be good for their feet so they're not sinking in the mud and water. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. And Sammy too. You want a cookie too? Good morning, cookies. Good morning. We've got some pellets down here for Sammy, soaking up for his feet. Yeah. Yeah, Sammy. Hi. My sweetheart. Hello. Hello, honey. Hello. He's giving me kisses like a dog. You're a good boy. Yeah. Like a big dog. Yep. Pretty baby. Look at that blue sky. It's good to see that again. Sure is. Yeah. And there's the wood pellets down here soaking up for Sammy's feet. Put them up there too. So that'll all soak in. Make it nice for them to walk on. Yeah, good boys. Yes, my babies. Boys. Yeah, pretty babies. Boys. Here's Sammy. Look at that blue sky. I think the rain's done for now. They're calling for it again in next week. So we'll see what happens there. But for now, it's nice to see the sun trying to come out. Yeah, good babies. Good boys. Yeah, pretty babies. They're my boys. They sure are. Good babies. Yeah. There they are. Good boys. All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you later.